Hello there, I am Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue here processing devices. Next to input devices, the other computer hardware part is processing devices. Under a computer system, we have computer hardware and software are working together. Again, under the hardware, we have input devices, processing devices, storage devices, and output devices. When you come to here processing devices, every computer system there is software and hardware. For instance, calculator, it performs calculation. How? There is a software inside the computer system. There is a device that helps for the case of performing calculation. This device is called processing device or CPU, central processing unit. It performs operations. When a computer receives data from an input device, for example from a mouse or keyboard, when a computer receives data from an input device, for example from what are the input devices, how the computer can accept or receive data from input device by using mouse or keyboard. The data must be processed before it goes to an output device. Just a computer is a device that can input, process, store and output. Therefore, the other performing operation is processing. How it performs? First it must have or receive a data by using mouse and keyboard, their input device. Then for the case of processing, it uses processing device before it goes to an output device such as the printer or a monitor, for instance. They act as or they help us for the function of output. We use printer or monitor also for the case of outputting after the final production. After processing to produce right information, the computer uses printer or monitor. In case of hard copy, it uses printer. In case of soft copy, to display soft copy, it uses monitor. A file that is stored inside a computer system is soft copy, and any text or graphics in paper form is hard copy. Therefore, a printer helps to change soft copy into hard copy. A processing device is used for converting that data into useful information. A computer can process and convert the data into information. How the data is converted into information? By using this device. By using a processing device, it's possible to convert data into useful information. For instance, central processing unit (CPU) is a type of processing device. It is starting from 1971. In the fourth generation of computers, they use microprocessors or microprocessors, and they got a name microcomputers starting from the fourth generation. The computer type uses VLSI technology, very large scale integrated circuit, or in short CPU. When you think about the third generation, they use large scale integrated circuits. And the second generation, uh, vacuum tube, transistor changes data into information. In the first generation, vacuum tube converts data into information. When you come to here, a processing device, known device is a processing device which is CPU. For instance, central processing unit is a type of processing device. It converts data into information. It is also called a processor. The other name is a processor. It is like brain of computer. Why we say it is a brain of computer? Because majority of the functions are performed inside this component that we say it is the brain of computer. We will see in detail here under three components. There are three components under CPU. They perform different tasks. The major tasks that we say the brain of computer performs instruction and response to commands. It performs instruction response to commands. How it performs? Based on the instruction that given. If we made a mistake, the computer also produces a wrong output. Therefore, we have to be careful when we feed or when we input the data. A processor speed is measured in Hertz. Hertz is the standard unit used to measure the processor speed. 1 Hz means 1 cycle per second. Like that of other quantity, the speed of computer have also its own measurement, which is measured in hertz, which means 1 cycle per second. Nowadays, the CPU is the speed. When we think about the CPU or processor, we are to think a speed. The speed, mostly it is measured in gigahertz. Central processing unit. The CPU performs instructions and the computer's processing activities. Performance instruction and the computer's processing activities. Most activities are performed by the central processing unit. It functions the same purpose as the human brain. That we call it sometimes the heart or brain of computer. It is the same purpose as the human brain, especially the control unit, the arithmetic. They work like human being. It is called the brain of the computer. The CPU has three subcomponents here: the control unit, the arithmetic logic unit, and the memory or register unit. What are the function of these three components? Let us see here. The three subcomponents are connected by a cable called a bus. How they can communicate each other? How register can communicate with arithmetic logic unit and the other component with its control unit by using a bus. The three components are connected by a cable called a bus. They are connected by a bus inside the motherboard. On the motherboard, they are connected by a bus. It is facilitated communication between the parts from register to arithmetic, arithmetic to control, and vice versa. They facilitate communication between the parts, this bus. It is used to transfer data between these subcomponents. As an implies, bus, it transfers data between these subcomponents, between control unit, arithmetic logic, and memory or registers unit. Let us see the first component, which is control unit. Think about human brain. For instance, if someone kicks a ball to us, to me, I am ready to control the ball, or I am ready to kick the same to him. Therefore, like that of performing on kicking a ball on such occasion, the computer system also accepts a particular data to some component, and vice versa. It's transferred to the other components. It controls like human brain. It controls the transfer of data between the other components. As the human brain controls the body, control unit controls the computer. Between the input device with the other storage devices, this control unit controls on the transfer of data. As the human brain controls the body, control unit controls the computer. Control unit does not perform the instruction by itself. It does not perform the instruction by itself. It does not carry out instruction, but it directs other processing elements to perform the instruction. It does not perform instruction by itself, but it gives the instruction, or it passes, or it transfers to the other components. So when we come to the second arithmetic logic unit, it performs the instruction. For instance, here we have two units, the arithmetic unit and logic unit. Let us see one by one. The arithmetic logic unit is used to execute instruction. It helps us to execute instructions. It performs two operations, namely the arithmetic and logic operations. Let us see the first one, the arithmetic operation. It is a mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We will note the four basic operations: the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the four types of arithmetic operations. For example, if you give your computer the instruction 2 plus 3, this included in arithmetic operation, and it performed by arithmetic unit. When you say arithmetic, it includes the four basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the four arithmetic operations. Therefore, whether it adds or subtracts, or it gives a product or gives equation for particular numbers in case of the arithmetic operation, it's found CPU, central processing unit. It performs like humans. It is basic operations are performed by this component. This includes the arithmetic operation and is performed by the arithmetic unit. The other is logical operation is concerned with the comparison of data. It compares. It includes operator less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are performed by logical operation. Not only comparing numbers. For instance, if you want to ascend or descend in case of sorting, it works based on the letters. For instance, A refers to 1, Z is refers to 26. We have 26 letters from A to Z. It ascend when you want to ascend in case of sorting, it ascends by alphabet. For instance, if one of the name is Ababa, the other is Zalalam, in ascending order, the letter A should be at the first. It compares. In case of filtering also, other operations are performed, some related operations are performed, these logical operations. That's why we call it the central processing unit, the brain of. That's why we have said the brain of the computer. It performs like the arithmetic operation, like human. It operates, it compares logical operations like human. That we say the brain of computer and control unit. In the control of instructions on passing from one unit, one device to another. The last component of the central processing unit is memory unit or registers. It is the temporary memory of found in under the temporary memory. The instructions loaded when they are loaded from other units, it is stored as temporarily under registers. When instruction is loaded from main memory, when you say main memory, random access memory, it is also temporary memory for a computer system. When you think about the memory unit for register is a temporary memory of a central processing unit. Under a central processing unit, we have also other memory which is register. This plus first in register to wait instruction from the control unit. When the control unit passes, it accepts from input device and it passes to this passes to the arithmetic logic. Before going to the arithmetic logic, it is temporarily placed under the register or this memory unit. It waits instruction from the control unit. Registers are temporary storage location for data prior to performance in arithmetic logic unit. To perform a specific operation as temporarily, the instructions sent from the keyboard or mouse are stored under memory unit or registers. For today is enough. Thank you. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.